At Hydraulic Cylinders, Inc., we know that when it comes to construction, every moment and every machine counts. That's why we specialize in providing top-quality aftermarket hydraulic cylinders specifically for your Bobcat equipment. We design our replacement hydraulic cylinders to demolish downtime by providing high-performing and reliable cylinders. Our extensive inventory is meticulously stocked to meet the needs of numerous Bobcat models. From skid steers to excavators, each cylinder is not just performance-built, but engineered to exceed OEM standards. Installation is straightforward, and each product is rigorously tested for quality and durability. Order by noon Central Time for same-day shipping on in-stock products. Our team dedicates itself to helping you find the right hydraulic solution. We use a proprietary database to verify compatibility. Visit us today at hydrauliccylindersinc.com to explore our full range of products and find out how we can keep your equipment moving.